When it comes to making dinner, I think there are a few things that we would all agree on. It's got to be easy, it's got to taste good, and cleanup should be a breeze. With that said, I'm so excited to share with you something called sheet pan cooking. And today, we're making one of our ultimate comfort foods, sheet pan style. We start by cooking some elbow macaroni like normal and draining it really well. While that sits, we combine some cheddar cheese soup, a good amount of milk, lots of shredded cheddar cheese, a bit of butter, and a few spices. After the cheese melts, we take the pot off the heat and slowly stir in a few eggs, along with our cooked pasta. Once this is mixed, it gets spread onto a rim baking sheet and topped with more cheese and some crackers that we mix with a bit of melted butter. When this comes out of the oven all cheesy, delicious, with the edges crispy, it's ready to cut into squares. So if you want to get in on the latest cooking craze, why not start with our sheet pan mac and cheese? And as always, to get the recipe, simply visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a new twist on an old classic way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.